Welcome back. Where is that? To another day. Life Chaos. So, today, we gotta take this shower here, and then gotta get on this one. Then we're gonna take this one, move it to the other bathroom, take the other one out. I like this kind or whatever kind with a hose. So you can wash the tub out when you clean. It's easy to just wash it out with that hose. So I'm about to take this off and I'll move it to the other bathroom first. Then I put the new one up in here. Let's take this head off. I gotta turn the light on, but the fan gonna come on, so you ain't gonna be able to hear me talk really. Should let all that water drain out. It's simple. It ain't nothing hard. Make sure the O-rings stay in there, so it'll be leaking it all come out the shower head. I'm gonna put this other one up now. This ain't gonna take long at all. Let's see here. I should just take this one. I should take it out. I guess this lets the water come through here. Then let it come through this head. And you can't do both of them at the same time. I guess you gotta do one or the other. So I get screwed on that. I thought I was about to replace this plumber's tape, but it's only kind of thick, so it should seal up pretty good. I should take this off. It'd be easy to just twist that on, but I think I can get it on without it. Make sure you don't cross thread. I turn the right way. Try to get to the end of the thread before it starts to grab. Okay. That's the right way. Doesn't grab. Trying to keep this thing untangled. Easy peasy. Save another DIY. A little easy job. Nothing too major. That should be good like that. Hold on, let's make that. Okay, good, that turn. How that go in there? Let's see here. That go like that. I'll go like this. Hold on, turn this. It might go like this. That ain't right. That ain't right about that right there. Oh, this might supposed to be on the bottom. Dang, so I have to back it off one turn. Oh, it's supposed to be on the side. Let's see, it might supposed to be on the side. I don't like that on the top. And the fish is supposed to be on the side. Yep, that's how it go. And you can lean it over. I need to tighten this up here. I don't like how that is, but I wish. Let's see. I'll do one more turn. Try to see if I can get it all the way around. Dang. I need to come just a little bit more. Yeah, I need to be on the side. Dang. I don't know. One thing, it's on tight. I can tell you that much. Hey, just a little bit more. There you go. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. We'll give it a test run. See how it is working right. Make sure ain't nothing leaking. Go back this way just a little bit. Oops. Yeah. See here. Alright, you got that one. You got 2. And you got 3. You got a little knob over here. I try not to get wet. That's supposed to be rain head, I guess. Alright. What is that? Let's see here. Yeah. Yep, that's that. Now let's go take this one, put on this other one. I'll turn that fan on later. That way you can hear me. So. Oops. Drop down. I gotta go get that plumber's tape. But let's see here. Well, I got this towel, so I won't damage the chrome on that faucet. So I'm gonna put a towel around this and grip these 2 little pieces right here. Twist this bad boy right on off. I should have had some channel locks. And when they'll go a little bigger, probably need to do it like this. Let's see. You probably go to the left. I can grip it from the top. I see you got this yellow glue on here. And we might go to, let's see here. Might go to the left. I don't want to be twisting it, trying to twist it the wrong way because this little head plastic here. But you know, I keep it just for a backup, just in case all this fails. You have a backup. I should better get it with my hand now. Hey, they put that old putty stuff on there. I'll just take some painter's tape. I mean, not no painter's tape. Some plumber's tape. Yeah, so they put it right there. And all around here. They work good, but when you wash your stuff, you be washing it out. But it's hard to wash out. You have to have that. Darn it. Boy, I stepped on that thing right there. Dang. Boy, you have to take a cup or a bucket or something to get the wall, all the soap off the wall. So let me go get this thing. Well, my foot hurt now. Go get this painter's tape. I mean, not this painter's tape, this plumber's tape right quick. So that's all it is. This is some white tape. Let's see what you do. It's thin too. So almost translucent, almost see through it. You just tape it start at the top. They just supposed to make a good. You see, it's already ripping. A good watertight seal, so you don't have no leakage. I'm gonna put it on there kind of tight, cause I don't want no leakage. That should be good enough right there. Do one more time. There we go. Let's rip it on now. I probably put a little too much, but hey, the more the merrier. Make sure I got the credit in this thing. Boy, I don't know what I did, but boy, my darn shoulder. Probably hanging that darn TV. On darn TV on the last, that was the last vlog. Is it screwing off? Oh yeah, it's going off. Going right on now. That's this plastic. So, and then this part, it's on a ball, so it turns. Let me flip it around. It should be good. We're gonna test it out here. Actually, I like this head better, but you know, somebody wanted this other head up instead. I like this better to see. When you're in here, you know, like the Navy shower, you know, you wet yourself, then you soap up, then you can turn this bad boy off. You leave water on, but you can turn that off. It'll stream slowly, a little bit of water. Let's see here. Let's turn this bad boy on. Let's turn it on. Don't lean on that. Oh yeah, it's working good. I'll turn the light on. See, you turn this pretty much off. So you gotta have the water running while you're in there washing. Gonna rinse it off while I got it on. Ain't nobody use this thing. This thing brand new in here. Everybody use this stuff here. It's been used maybe 4 times. Brand new. Let's see, I'm gonna wash it out. Probably, if anything, got some dust up in here. There's that. Let's turn this bad boy on. Yep, that's that. Boy, my darn foot hurt. We got this bad boy cleaned out here. I just come in with a towel and dry it off so I don't have no water spots all on it. Oh boy. But my favorite room right here, my favorite room. Boy, this is the favorite room right here. The boom boom room. This looks like a time for another bottle of paint. It's the favorite room right here. I don't think they can copyright me for watching myself. Oh boy, I be busy.
I went through all this yesterday.
Women. Dealing with women, boy.
Boy. Them darn women, but you can't live with them.
Tell you what, the women.
You can live without them, but you can't live without them. You can't live without them, boy. So, I gotta go hang these curtains in the house.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite room, but I like to get in here,
Gotta go hang these
sit back and relax, turn it on up.
We're supposed to have a movie night. You tell me this stuff is fire. You're like, hey, we need this weed. Walmart. we get this fire pit? We don't need no fire. What we need a fire pit for? So we can have a fire. Put the fire pit right here.
Yeah. Well, that's a DIY fire pit right there.
You see,
That's a rock. That's my rock right there. I let the fire heat that rock up. Now I cook on it. You know, put some water on it, clean it on off, cook on it.
Tink. Every Sunday.
Tink. Hey, see, you can't
Man, I should have put the
light on. So you can't see nothing when the light on.
Because it's already dropping behind these trees. I need this thing to drop.
Light on.
Because it's hard to pick it up
Anyway,
without
theater light on.
can't get no sun.
Boy, she just don't want to act right today. I ain't know what's going on. Alexa. Alexa. Theater light on.
I ain't scratched up. It's alright. Ain't got too bad.
You see what her little butt over there doing in that greenhouse? What she always doing? Sleep. Tink. Come here. Yeah. Sleep. Look at that. Oh, now you want to wake up. You were asleep all day. What you been doing? This you want to be playing and running around in the middle of the darn night. See that my little snack tray? That's why I stay in this room. It be pitch black. Turn the light off. I got my little snack tray right here. I sit there across, eat my food, boy. I got a cup holder for my beer. Have me a whole nice meal. Boy, sit back. Alexa, light off. Boy, like sit back like this. Watch a little TV. Well, ain't nothing better than being at home. I'm telling you, it ain't nothing better than being in your own house just chilling. Ain't got nobody to bother you.
Here's what I found.
Alexa, light on. And what's she doing? Alexa, theater light. Alexa, theater light on. But I'm working hard lately. Get a lot of little DIYs done. You know, I think I do DIYs because I like, hey, but economy's inflation going up, you know, and you call these tradesmiths or tradespeople, plumbers, electricians, stuff like that. But hey, I go to YouTube Academy first. If I can't figure out YouTube Academy, I call somebody. And this is what I do. When I call them, I'm gonna pay that price one time. I'm gonna be standing over watching them. Hey, how you? Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. Hey, I won't have to call you again. I done paid for this lesson. I won't have to call you again. Yeah. T, what you doing? Don't come over here now. Now she'll listen. I tell her to go to bed. Watch her. Go to bed. Go to bed. Come here. Come on. But yeah, you know, so I do DIYs, you know, just to show people like a lot of stuff ain't easy, you know. I mean, a lot of stuff is easy. It may look hard, may seem hard, but see, you know, like my next project, I gotta do it at night or early in the morning. I gotta go get those, the same way how you got receptacle outlets, where you got one that has HDMI connector on each side. And so for that projector there, it's a wire already in the attic. I need to put a plug for HDMI, so it come from the projector, plug that HDMI into the ceiling on that connector, and run that connector. I need to run it to, go in the attic and run it to this wall here and drop it down, and then run another one behind this little TV stand. So that way, cause this right now, it's a cord across my my closet in there. And so, you know, in there you got the refrigerator, the microwave. I need a popcorn machine. That's what I need. I need a popcorn machine. But I got a microwave, so, you know, refrigerator. I keep my beer in that refrigerator. So, and then this projector right here, this is temporary. I got a big one in there, a nice big one in here, but I got to send it off to get fixed. So, the picture, like this one, you can't see the picture right now. Let me turn it down. You can't see it right now. Now if I turn the light off, you'll be able to see the picture. Let's see. Alexa, light off. Yeah, so you can see the picture now. But with this big one I got, come on, man. Alexa, light on. But with this big one I got, it the picture quality should be better. I mean, that's good for what it's worth. You know, that screen, all this is temporary. I just threw this up just to see like how it look or whatever. You know, if I'm gonna get a different screen, this will probably end up in the garage. You know, in the garage downstairs. So, but that's all my DIYs right now. Hopefully this woman don't come back with some more DIYs. Oh, I want this. I want that. Oh boy. Well, I hope she don't come back with no other DIY. She want this or that. We already gotta get another garage bill because you paying attention to the blog. We see all that stuff she bring. So the garage on the house, that's probably gonna be. It's gonna be another bonus area. It's right under here. It's gonna be another bonus area. Cause I'll probably epoxy the floors. Once I get the other garage built, take everything out of there, epoxy the floors. Amazon got this air conditioned heat unit, Sinville, for $700, $800. And it's a sealed unit. They sent it with the Freon, so it ain't that hard to put in, you know. As you mount the little unit on the wall, all you do is cut a piece of sheetrock out in the wall, drop your 2 Freon lines down and your drain line down, and then I'm gonna have to go outside and cut the side. But I'm gonna make sure I cut it and leave a flap. Don't cut the side all the way off, leave a flap on it. So when your lines come out, like if this the wall, your line's gonna come out at an angle. That flap aside and be over the top. So when water come down the side of the house, it runs over. Then you just put your condenser and stuff outside. So I'm put that in there, and it has heat and air for $800. I'm like, that's cheap. That ain't too bad. I just need to insulate the door, and that could be another area. I take this projector and stuff. This projector right here. I take that one. And this screen, I put that in the garage. I probably ain't got to put the screen in the garage because the walls are light gray, so it'll show up on that. Now it ain't gonna show up if it ain't if it's light in there. So if you close the door enough, you can see. And then if it's dark in there, you know, hey, you gonna have a family gathering or whatever. Hey, put some chairs and stuff out there on football game, Super Bowl, fight party. They put the chairs and stuff out there. Turn the projector on. Gonna have one up here. It's all good. In that back garage, I'm gonna give her that. That gonna be where all my stuff gonna be at. So, but we're gonna see how it go. We're gonna see how it go. But hey, that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. See her little butt. That's all she do. She sleep all day. Take. Come here. That's all she do. Sleep. Go run outside. Run around the damn woods and sleep. You need a job. I'm gonna strap a GoPro to you and let you run around. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do to your little butt. But hey, that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Turn on all post notifications. Click that bell. That bell let you know every time I post. Look at that. Watch what she doing. That sleep. Look at that. How was gonna do? See, hold on. To then, we out.